At the International Log Sawing Competition, a world record of 3.5 seconds was set. Now you don't have to climb stairs by yourself anymore. They've come up with a lift trolley for that. The era of robots is increasingly integrating into our lives. Maintaining a golf course requires regular upkeep, including grass mowing, fertilization, pest and disease control, and maintaining proper moisture levels. The holes are regularly adjusted and cared for. This portable mini camera easily attaches to any object, allowing you to set it up practically anywhere to capture interesting and high-quality content. Various types of milling cutters are specially designed for edge processing, depending on the product's requirements. They can even create rounded edges for chess pieces if needed. Stone carving with high-pressure water jets has long been used by artisans worldwide and widely applied in industries. This miracle machine is designed for mowing grass and harvesting hay for animals, but it looks like something out of a space fantasy movie. This land clearing machine can tidy up any yard within 10 minutes of starting to use it. Struggling to hang kitchen cabinets evenly? These clever lifters will help you with any kitchen equipment installation. Lifting a car is no easy task, but not for this versatile electric lift. Thanks to simple equipment, this man turned an ordinary pickup truck into a dump truck with quick unloading capabilities. In the 20th century, railways were laid manually, but thankfully, nowadays almost all processes are fully automated. Modern tools greatly assist rescue services in their work, as every minute counts for them. Do you enjoy making juice or wine yourself? Then you'll need this compact press for squeezing. This guy dances on the roof with such confidence that you can't help but worry and feel anxious for him. Mounting a ceiling is impossible alone, but this quick worker does an excellent job. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to hit like if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.